Welcome to an adventure motorcycle tour of Pakistan's most beautiful places. Good morning everyone from Utror, Swat in Pakistan, surrounded by mountains. This place is nuts and it goes all the way around, but anyway, if you haven't watched the previous video, you really should. Super dramatic. I made plans, had to cancel plans, crazy episode. So what was canceled yesterday, which is to go to Kandol Lake, is now on for today. And Ibrahim, who's from here, he's a police officer, he's actually gonna go along with me to the lake. I'm gonna be able to record as a passenger instead of having to just record as the driver. It's gonna be fun. Let's go see Kandol Lake. It's one of the must-sees, but not many people can make the effort to go all the way there. So can't wait to check it out. Share it with you guys. Let's go. We just fueled up. Our driver for today is Ibrahim. From yesterday, you might recognize him. And another police officer has decided to join for today's tour as well. His name is Nawaz. He's back. Now we're gonna get some food, snacks for the day. Show you the view of Utror town. This is my friend Nawaz. He's gonna join us today to the lake, Kandol Lake. And we're picking up lunch. Hello. It's a Chapli Kabab.
Chapli Kabab.
Oh, Chapli. Look at this. The meat, tomatoes, and the magic happens there. Excellent. And so we're waiting now for take away our lunch. We bought some fruits. Ready, almost ready to go. It's gonna be a good day. It's 9:50 a.m. and our journey has commenced. We've got our food ready. Perfect weather. We have had to take an alternate route. This route was blocked for construction. I'm not riding this one. Well, he made it look too easy. I think these guys are saying go back the same way. We shall see. Will we make it to Kandol Lake? Tune in to find out. So this is what's going on. Oh, they're paving it. It's all fresh paved. Yeah, there's no way we're gonna go through that. Okay, not sure what we'll do now. We're gonna get through this. Oh wow, look at this. He's gonna go up this? Oh my god. Nawaz already went. Oh my goodness. This is the fresh pavement. He stepped in it. Now we're walking through minimum weight, so we don't damage it too much. Actually, it looks okay. And then Ibrahim says, we'll go, and then we come back, we see if the road's open. We will see. If not, the bikes will get stuck here. Fun. Hello. We're being followed by children. Hi. So I noticed that when it's a hard road, the steering makes a noise. And I mentioned it to Ibrahim, and now that he's ridden my bike, he agrees. So they're gonna try to see if they see what the problem is, something loose, or if it can be tightened. So that's what we're doing. Adventures continue. Nawaz has picked up a passenger. We're at the powerhouse now, and Ibrahim found something. This one is the one that's loose, look. So we thought it was this one, but it's actually this one. All is good. Hopefully that solved the problem. We will test it and find out. I can't believe this is the way. Check this out. Wow.
This is a very beautiful road, but in 2010, there is a heavy flood coming.
Yes. Wow. Maybe I get up. Yes. Wow. These are just plain rocks here. So I'm walking this part. My goodness, unbelievable. So I don't know if you heard, but Ibrahim was saying that this used to be a good road, but the flood of 2010 ruined the road. The road not so good, but the view is incredible. Oh my God, look at this road. Beautiful. We have decided to take a small break with chai and biscuits. The local man here recommended we leave the bikes here, which we will, and then we'll walk the rest of the way, which is like an hour. So my behind is going to thank us. And how gorgeous is this place? Back here is a honey farm. Tons of bees floating around. There's a cute swing in the back. This place is just nuts. There's waterfalls in the distance, which you probably can't see in the small camera or zoomed out camera, but what a day it has been. And we haven't even gotten to the lake yet. Who knows, maybe we won't even get to the lake. But really good day. It's 11:40, we've set off on foot. Hum Kandol ja rahe hain. Which
हम कंडोल झील जा रहे हैं.
Yes. And of course,
कंडोल झील जा रहे हैं.
Hum Kandol ja rahe hain means we are going to Kandol Lake.
By foot.
By foot. See, we're not lying. Oh, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Good thing we left the bikes, because this is at least a 35-40 degrees straight up. And with two people on one bike, boy, that would be difficult. Plus, coming down with a bike would be really, really dangerous. So we walk. Still going up. The incline is not so bad right now. Look at this landscape. It's changed. I think that's a glacier. Then this river, stream. There's two local people. Amazing.
A boundary for Kandol Lake.
Oh, yes. First glimpse of the lake is ahead of us. The time is 12:58, 1 hour 10 minutes. There's the lake. There's Ibrahim in the foreground. It's a bit breezy right now, so the lake is not smooth and pretty, but hopefully while we're here the winds will calm down for a bit so we can enjoy the beautiful lake. We made it! Woohoo! We make it. Ooh, check out the clouds though.
This one is Kandol G.
Kandol G. Hopefully we won't get rained on. The sun has come out a bit and the lake looks a little more blue. Oh, this is much better. Who knows? Maybe it'll get even better. We're still in the middle of eating, but I noticed it had gotten sunnier. Look at this, huh? And the lake is now smooth. What a lucky day, huh? Oh my God. We arrive, it starts raining, and now blue. These guys are too much fun. They're up there on the rocks. They want to take selfies and stuff, so they're going to teach me how to take better selfies. And here's the view from the top. So nice. Beautiful mountain. Snow there. Running down. We're making our way to the boat. I think we might actually go on a little boat ride. We need to make it down there first. That's cute, isn't it? Looks like we're going for a boat ride. Let's make our way there without falling in. The boat is bottomed out and Nawaz is determined. Clearly we had too much for lunch. Clearly. It is 2:45 and now we're headed back, and we've been so lucky here with the weather that we got to see the lake in probably, you know, the best conditions you could hope for. But now where we're going is cloudy as hell. So the weather here, I swear, it changes every 5 minutes, and you know, hopefully we don't get rained on. If you're thinking about coming by motorbike, that is not good, especially coming down. Oh my God. So is it possible? I would say yes, but I would say every 5 seconds you have a chance of falling. So if you manage to avoid 1,000 opportunities to fall, you can make it. But I don't know, I wouldn't recommend it for sure. Possible, but highly do not recommend taking a motorbike here. Walking is great. Walking is great. Leave your motorbike where we left ours. And look, will we get rained on the way back to the bikes? I don't know. Will we make it back to the city before it starts raining? I don't know. Will they be paving the road and we cannot even drive our bikes back to the city? That's another we don't know. I have questions. I have concerns. Tune in to find out. Pakistani people aren't just nice to foreign tourists like me. We just ran into a local tourist and immediately Ibrahim grabbed his backpack, and he's not letting him carry his own bag down. Like, no, 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 no question. He took it. So that's how nice Pakistani people are. What more can I tell you? It is 3:50 and we've made it back to where we dropped off the bikes. Step 1 of return trip complete. Successful. Take a little rest and continue away. Now begins our ride down, which I gotta admit worries me more than going up. But we will take it slow, make it a one piece. I'm feeling raindrops, friends. Raindrops. Oh, you guys see the rain? It's raining. It's raining and it's sunny. Oh my God. Honey.
Kandol Lake.
Wow. If you're thinking about riding here, oh my God. I'm walking as fast as they were riding. That part was crazy. Okay. Back on the bike. We've reached to where they were paving earlier today. So I'll have to figure out how to get back now. The way is blocked is the last English phrase I heard. I don't know where he's going. Bye. Assalamu alaikum. So we'll see what happens. I'm not sure what's happening. But fingers are being pointed in directions and people are still smiling. They're pointing there. I don't see nothing there. And we go back. We're investigating alternate routes. Oh my God, look at this view. Wow, that's insane. Wow. This way?
Yes.
There's Nawaz back there investigating. We could not find a path back to the village, so we found a place to leave the motorcycles for tonight, and by tomorrow the path will be dry. We can come collect motorbikes and go back to Utror. Meanwhile, enjoying a wonderful day, amazing weather, and we'll just walk back to town. That's what's blocking our way.
Oh no.
The views, my friends, just never end. Well, I will say that was a very unique Kandol Lake experience. Thanks to so many people involved today, Ibrahim and Nawaz, and also the people who helped fix the bike. It's been a great day. Enjoy?
Enjoy.
Very good, amazing day at the lake. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.